Wake up! No, I don't want to go wake up.
Wake up!
Okay,
Fine!
I hate candy cake heat.
What?
Turn off! I got to enter the truck.
The truck is here!
Hey, I want to play some games. No, you can't. Oh man! I want to play some games.
No! You
Can't play some games. Okay. We go to Target. Yes. Y'all gonna. Hey, Ma, can't get some candies. No, you can't get some candies. Oh, come on. You want Uncle Short to Target? Candy cake eating, not supposed to be short.
No! Oh. Candy cake heat. How dare you? You're short. Go to the well right now.